first participant is Tolu from International School, University of Lagos, and your time starts now. You have just 1 minute. Well done. Time up. 13 words per minute. A round of applause for her. And we have Deborah now. How many words per minute? Well, let's see what you have. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Okay, so missed words and well done, Deborah. We're at 8 words per minute. And the third participant is Israel. And your time starts now. 18 words per minute. Two more seconds. 20 words per minute. All right, so Israel's got 20 words per minute, the highest so far. Eniola is the first participant. All right, Eniola, let's see if we can beat Israel's record with 20 words per minute. And your time starts now. We're still on 28. Well done so far. You are leading. Okay, 28 words per minute. All right, and next in the battle line is Awal. She's the 5th participant from ISL. Are you ready? Your time starts now. All right, 14 words per minute. Nice try. Of 6th person from ISL is Faith. Are you ready? Your time starts now. Thirty-one words per minute, 14 seconds to go. Well done. Time is up. 29 words per minute. And the 7th participant is Samuel. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Calm down. All right, and your time starts now. 22 words per minute. 4 more seconds. 22 words per minute. Samuel Ayomide is here to battle. Are you ready? Your time starts now. Thirty-one words per minute. 6 seconds to go. 32 words per minute. Whoa, the highest so far. 32 words per minute. Ayomide, well done. And Marvelous is here. She's the 9th person on the list. Are you ready? Your time starts now. Seven seconds to go. 22 words per minute. Well done. 23 words per minute. A round of applause for Marvelous. Thank you for attempting. So far leading is Ayomide with 32 words per minute. Faith with 29 words per minute. And then Eniola with 28 words per minute. And so he's the 10th participant. If he doesn't go over 29 or 28 or even 32, right? The first, second, and third are those names that I just called. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to be a first or second or third?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your time starts now. Thirty words per minute, 8 seconds to go. 31 words per minute. 32 words per minute. Oh my God, how did you do that? I gave you an option. I said, it's either you go above or above or above. You just wanted to be the first. Well done. And so there's a tie. Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Well done, everyone. A round of applause. There is a tie, everyone. There is a tie. Okay, our first winner is a tie. So it's Abdusalam with 32 words per minute and Ayomide with 32 words per minute. Please clap for them. We'll be calling them upstage very soon. And the second person is Face with 29 words per minute. A round of applause. Yay. And the third person is Eniola with 28 words per minute. And so they were awarded with a mini keyboard, as you can see. All students and teachers were so happy. And the first participant from Temple Secondary School is Musa. All right, Musa, let's have your time start now. Shift. First of all, shift, you use your shift key. Okay. You've got finished. 22 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 All right, and your time is up. And his words per minute is 24 words per minute. And the second participant is Kika. Let's see if he's going to topple Musa's own. And Musa had how many words per minute again?
24.
All right, let's go. Kika is currently on 30-something words per minute. Interesting. Currently on 32 words per minute. "15 seconds to go. "10 seconds. Currently on 32 words per minute. And your time is up. 30 words per minute. I hope. Yes, 30 words per minute. And we have the third participant, Tisa. Let's see if Tisa is going to beat Kika. Let's go. Well done. We're currently at 21 words per minute. Almost time. There we go. 23 words per minute. A round of applause for you. Okay, well done. And the fourth participant is so eager to do this. Is Ekene from Temple Secondary School. Let's see if so far it's been Kika leading on the leaderboard. 30 words per minute. Let's have you. Your time starts now. Calm down. We're currently on 17 words per minute, 18. Seven more seconds. Continue. I think your caps is on check. Okay. 12 words per minute. Your time is up. So just hold on. A round of applause for Ekene. 12 words per minute. Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? And the fifth participant, I hope you're not nervous, is Kimfe. Did I get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. Your time starts now. So we're currently at 32 words per minute. Backspace. Okay, continue. Currently, we dropped to 24. We are dropping so much. You have 25 more seconds to correct all of this. I think your caps is on. Your caps is on. You are so nervous the way you're rocking your chair. 14 words per minute. Well done. Almost time. And just hold on for it. Hold on. All right. So he's got 15 words per minute. A round of applause for him. So he's got 50 words per minute. And the sixth participant from Temple Secondary School is Nicole. Are you ready? Okay, your time starts now. Calm down. We're on 35 words per minute. Well done. We're on 35 words per minute. 36 now. 36 words per minute. 37 words per minute. You have 3 seconds to go. Well done. 37 words per minute. A round of applause to Nicole. Seventh participant from Temple Secondary School is Amara. Are you ready? Breathe in and out. All right, let's have your time starts now. We're on 66 words per minute. Oh, we've dropped. Take it easy. Continue. We're on 46 words per minute. Careful, type properly. 136 words per minute. Just calm down. You have good time to scale this. We're on 33 words per minute. 18 seconds to go. I think your cap is still on, okay. 126 words per minute. 27 words per minute. Yes, we had some delays. 27 words per minute. A round of applause for Amara. And the eighth participant from Temple Secondary School is Allen. Am I correct? Your time starts now. Check your caps. I think your caps are on. Right, we're on 20 words per minute. Let's sustain and get higher. 25 words per minute. $30 words per minute. Nicole, someone is coming for you. 29 words per minute. We have 14 seconds to go. $32 words per minute. We have 5 seconds to go. 32 words per minute it is. All right, and the ninth participant from Temple Secondary School is Omotayo. Your time starts now. We're on 59 words per minute. $41 words per minute. It's dropping. Have 34 seconds to go. 40 words per minute. Calm down. 42 words per minute. We came down 37, 38 words per minute. And the third person from Temple Secondary School is Iniolua. Are you ready? Your time starts now. We're on 37 words per minute. "24 words per minute. "32 words per minute, 5 more seconds to go. 2 more seconds to go. 30 words per minute. A round of applause for Iniolua. Well done. It is very important, like we do always on the show, to have good typing skills. And the students of Temple Secondary School have done so very well, but we can only reward 3 of them with the mini keyboard. And of course, you know who the winners are. And the first winner is Dawodu Omotayo with 38 words per minute. The second winner is Nicole Joachim with 37 words per minute. And the third person is Abiona Allen with 32 words per minute. And Seoul students were also awarded their prizes.